Good morning student, let's start our topic and here we will talk about remaining part of chapter 7 trigonometric identities. In previous video we solved some identities, in this video we solve some questions. Okay, so let's begin. Question number 3. To prove cos square theta plus cos square theta into cot square theta equal cot square theta. Taking LHS, cos square theta is common part, cos square theta is common part, so remaining part 1 plus a cot square theta. Cos square theta as it is, write 1 plus cot square theta. By applying identity, we know that 1 plus cot square theta equal cosec square theta. So 1 plus cot square replaced by cosec square theta. Cosec square theta into cosec square theta. Cos square theta as it is, cosec square theta. By applying another identity, cosec square theta equal 1 upon sin square theta. So cosec square theta replaced by 1 upon sin square theta. Cosec square upon sin square equal cot square. Applying another identity, cot square theta equal cos square upon sin square. So RHS. LHS equal RHS. Proved. Next question. Question number 6. Root 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus a sin theta equal sec theta minus a tan theta. Taking LHS. LHS is root 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus a sin theta. Here multiplying numerator and denominator by root 1 minus a sin theta. Here denominator part is 1 plus sin theta, so multiplying opposite side, opposite sign of 1 plus sin theta, multiplying by numerator and denominator 1 minus sin theta upon 1 minus a sin theta. Now 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta whole square, like as 2 into 2 means 2 whole square. Similarly 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta whole square. Denominator part, denominator multiply by denominator 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. A plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. Applying identity a square minus a b square. A means 1, a means here 1 and 1. Same 1 square, and b means sin theta and sin theta. So a square minus a b square, 1 whole square minus a sin theta whole square. Upper part as it is 1 minus sin theta whole square root 1 minus sin theta whole square. Lower part is 1 square minus sin square, 1 minus sin square. Another using identity 1 minus sin square theta equal cos square theta. 1 minus sin square theta equal cos square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta replaced by cos square theta. A root cancel out by square. Here a root cancel out by square. Remaining part 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. Here also a root cancel out by square, root cancel out by square. So cos theta remaining, cos theta here. Okay, 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. Dividing separately 1 divided by cos theta and sin theta divided by cos theta. 1 divided by cos theta, 1 upon cos theta. Sin theta divided by cos theta, sin theta divided by cos theta. In between negative sign. Okay, 1 upon cos theta, 1 upon cos theta. Using identity sec theta equal 1 upon cos theta. So 1 upon cos theta replaced by sec theta. Sin theta upon cos theta, sin upon cos tan theta. Using identity tan theta equal sin upon cos. So sin upon cos means tan minus as it is sec theta minus tan theta. It means LHS equal RHS. LHS equal RHS. Proved. sec theta minus tan theta, sec theta minus tan theta. Next question, question number 7. Question number 7 is root sec square theta plus cosec square theta equal tan theta plus cot theta. Root sec square theta plus cosec square theta equal tan theta plus cot theta. Taking LHS. LHS part is sec square plus cosec square root. Root as it is sec square. Sec square means using identity sec theta equal 1 upon cos. So 1 upon cos square. Another identity cosec theta. Cosec means 1 upon sin. So cosec square 1 upon sin square. Taking LCM. LCM is cos square sin square. So cos square sin square. Root as it is cos square sin square divided by cos square. Cos cancel out. Sin square into 1 sin square. Next sin square cancel out. Cos square remaining. So root sin square plus cos square upon cos square into sin square. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. By using identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. Cos square as it is, sin square as it is. Now 1 divided by cos square and 1 divided by sin square. 1 divided by cos square root into 1 divided by sin square root. Root cancel out by square. Root cancel out by square. Here also root cancel out by square. So 1 upon cos theta, 1 upon cos theta into 1 upon sin theta. 1 upon cos theta into 1 upon sin theta. Next. LHS part solve. LHS part answer is 1 upon cos theta into sin theta. Now RHS part is tan theta plus cot theta. So taking RHS, tan theta plus cot theta. Tan theta, we know that tan theta equals sin upon cos. So sin theta upon cos theta. Plus as it is cot theta, we know that cot theta equal cos upon sin. So cot theta replaced by cos upon sin. Taking LCM of this part, cos theta sin theta. So cos theta sin theta LCM. Cos theta cancel out. Sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. Cos theta sin theta cancel out. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. Another using identity sin square plus cos square. Sin square plus cos square is 1. So sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. Cos theta sin theta as it is. So 1 upon cos theta sin theta. RHS part, LHS part is 1 upon cos theta sin theta. RHS part is also 1 upon cos theta sin theta. So LHS equal RHS. Left hand side equal right hand side. Proved. Next question, question number 12. Question number 12 is cos power 4 theta plus sin power 4 theta equal 1 minus 2 cos square theta sin square theta. Taking LHS is cos power 4 theta plus sin power 4 theta. Cos power 4 theta plus sin power 4 theta. Cos power 4 means cos square theta whole square. 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4. Sin square whole square. Okay. Now cos power 4 sin power 4. In this step we adding plus 2 sin square theta cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. In this step we using adding 2 sin square theta cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. So cos power 4 sin power 4 plus 2 sin square cos square theta minus 2 sin square cos square theta. Okay. Now cos power 4 sin power 4 plus 2 sin square cos square. In this step we applying identity. Identity is cos square theta plus sin square theta whole square means a plus b whole square. Applying identity a plus b whole square. It means a square plus b square plus 2ab. a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square means cos square whole square. Cos square whole square means cos power 4 plus b square. B square means sin square whole square means sin power 4 plus 2 a means cos square, b means sin square. Okay, now these three steps using identity cos square theta plus sin square theta whole square minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta as it is, minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta as it is. Okay, and we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta equal 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta equal 1. So cos square theta sin square theta replaced by 1 into 1 minus 2 sin square cos square as it is, minus 2 sin square cos square as it is. So LHS equal RHS, hence prove. Next question, question number 15. Question number 15, sin theta divided by 1 plus 1 minus cos theta equal 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta. Okay, taking LHS part is sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta, sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. Here rationalize means denominator part 1 minus cos theta. So here multiplying numerator and denominator both by 1 plus cos theta. Numerator divided by 1 plus cos theta and denominator multiply by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, sin theta 1 minus cos theta as it is, multiplying 1 plus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Sin theta multiply 1 plus cos theta as it is, sin theta into 1 plus cos theta, and 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. A minus b, a plus b. So using identity a square minus b square. A square minus b square means a plus b and a minus b. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So a square minus b square, 1 square minus cos square. Okay, upper part sin theta into 1 plus cos theta as it is, sin theta into 1 plus cos theta as it is, 1 minus cos square theta equal sin square theta. By using identity 1 minus cos square theta equal sin square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta replaced by sin square theta. Okay, now sin theta into 1 plus cos theta divided by sin square theta. Sin cancel out, remaining part 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta, 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta. So LHS equal RHS, proved. Next question, question number 19. Sin square theta into cos theta plus tan theta into sin theta plus cos cube theta equal sec theta. Okay, taking LHS part is sin square theta cos theta plus tan theta sin theta plus cos cube theta. Right, now in first and third step, first step is sin square theta cos theta, third step is cos square theta. In common part first and third step cos theta is common, first and third step cos theta is common, so write cos theta common. Taking common part, remaining part sin square theta and cos square theta, sin square theta and cos square theta, plus middle part as it is tan theta into sin theta, so plus tan theta into sin theta. Now cos theta as it is sin square plus cos square. We know that by using identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. So sin square into cos square 1 into cos theta. plus tan theta as it is, sin theta as it is, cos theta as it is, plus as it is tan theta means sin upon cos. So here tan theta replace sin upon cos into sin theta as it is. Cos theta divided by 1, taking LCM of these two part, taking LCM is cos theta. So cos theta divided by 1 cos theta, cos into cos cos square theta, cos theta divided by cos theta 1, sin into sin sin square theta, cos square theta plus sin square theta upon cos theta. And again we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta equal 1. So cos square sin square replaced by 1 upon cos theta as it is. Again using identity, 1 upon cos theta, 1 upon cos theta means sec theta. Here write identity, sec theta equal 1 upon cos. So 1 upon cos replaced by sec theta. RHS, LHS equal RHS, LHS equal RHS. Okay, hence prove. Next question. Next question. Question number 21. Question number 21. Important question. Important question. Sin A plus cosec A whole square, sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square, cos A plus sec A whole square equal 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A, 7 plus tan square A cot square A. Okay, taking LHS, LHS part is sin A plus cosec A whole square, cos A plus sec A whole square. By applying identity, A plus B whole square, A plus B whole square. Here write identity, A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square means A square plus B square plus 2AB, A square plus B square plus 2AB. So A means sin and B means cosec. So A square means sin A, sin into sin, sin square A. B square means cosec square A plus 2AB means 2, A means sin A, B means cosec A, plus again using A plus B whole square identity, A square means first number square cos square A, B square means second number square sec square A, plus 2 first number into second number, 2A into B cos into sec A. Okay, now next step, sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square plus cos square, sin square plus cos square equal 1 plus cosec square as it is plus 2 as it is, sin A as it is. Again by identity, cosec theta, cosec A means 1 upon sin A, cosec A means 1 upon sin A plus sec square A as it is plus 2 as it is plus cos A as it is into sec A. Sec means by identity sec A equal 1 upon cos A. So sec A replaced by 1 upon cos A. 1 as it is, cosec square as it is, sin cancel out by sin, it means 2 into 1 2, sec square as it is, cos cancel out, 2 into 1 2. Okay, next step, 1 plus 2 number are added, 1 plus 2 3 plus 2 5 plus cosec square A as it is plus sec square A as it is. Okay, now 5 as it is. Cosec square. Cosec square means by using identity 1 plus cot square. We know 1 plus cot square equal cosec square. So here cosec square replaced by 1 plus a cot square. 1 plus a cot square. Sec square a. Sec square means by using identity 1 plus tan square equal sec square. 1 plus tan square equal sec square. So sec square replaced by 1 plus a tan square. 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus cot square plus a tan square. Cot square plus a tan square. So 7 plus tan square plus a cot square. LHS equal RHS. LHS equal RHS. Proved. Here 7 plus cot square plus tan square. In addition, associative rule follow. 2 plus 3 5. 3 plus 2 also 5. Okay. So cot square plus tan square or tan square plus cot square. Same case. Both are same. LHS equal RHS. Okay. Next question. Question number 22. Question number 22. Also important. Sin power 8 theta minus cos power 8 theta equal sin square theta minus cos square theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Taking LHS, LHS is sin power 8 theta cos power 8 theta. Okay, now sin power 8, sin power 8 means sin power 4 theta whole square, means 4 into 2 8, 4 into 2 8. Okay, break in identity. Identity means a square minus b square. Here using a square minus b square. A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. A plus b, a minus b. A sin power 4, b cos power 4. A plus b sin power 4 plus cos power 4 into a minus b. A minus b means similar sin power 4 minus a cos power 4. Okay. Sin power 4 cos power 4. Sin power 4 cos power 4 plus into sin square plus cos square into sin square minus cos square. Sin power 4 cos power 4 as it is. Sin power 4 cos power 4 as it is, and again using a square minus b square. Sin square whole square cos square whole square. A plus b, a minus b, it means sin square theta plus cos square theta into sin square theta minus cos square theta. Okay, sin power 4 cos power 4 as it is, and sin square theta plus cos square theta by using identity sin square plus cos square equal 1. 1 into sin square cos square, sin square minus cos square as it is. Here using identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. So sin square theta cos square theta 1. 1 into sin square minus cos square, sin square minus cos square. Sin power 4 plus cos power 4 as it is, and sin square minus cos square. So sin square minus cos square. Okay. In this step we adding plus 2 sin square cos square minus 2 sin square cos square. We adding extra term plus 2 sin square cos square minus 2 sin square cos square. Okay, now sin power 4 cos power 4 plus 2 sin square cos square plus 2 sin square cos square by using identity a plus b whole square. By using identity a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus a 2ab. Okay, by using identity a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus a 2ab. Okay, now a plus b whole square, sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square. A square means sin power 4, b square means cos power 4 plus 2ab, 2 sin square cos square. Okay, now minus sin square minus cos square as it is, and minus 2 sin square cos square minus 2 sin square cos square. Okay, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. So 1 minus 2 sin square cos square minus 2 sin square cos square into sin square minus cos square, sin square minus cos square as it is. So RHS LHS equal RHS, LHS equal RHS. Next question, question number 25. Question number 25. Question number 25 is sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta plus sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta equal 2 upon 1 minus 2 cos square theta equal 2 upon 2 sin square theta minus 1. Taking LHS, LHS is sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta plus sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta plus cos theta. Taking LCM, combinedly LCM is sin theta minus cos theta and sin theta plus cos theta. This one is cancel out, remaining part sin theta plus cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta. 2 into 2 square. So similarly sin theta in plus cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta plus cos theta whole square. Okay, sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta plus cos theta cancel out, sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Okay, here we using identity a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab. A plus b whole square, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square means sin square, b square means cos square plus 2ab, 2 sin theta and cos theta plus a minus b whole square. Again using next identity a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab, minus 2ab. Okay, now a minus b whole square, a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta minus 2ab, 2 sin theta into cos theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square plus cos square we know 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta cancel out, plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta cancel out, remaining part sin square plus cos square. Again we know sin square plus cos square is 1. So 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 divided by sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta. Again using identity a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, a square minus b square. So a square minus b square, sin square minus cos square. 1 plus 1 2 sin square. Sin square means again using identity sin square theta equal 1 minus cos square theta. Sin square theta equal 1 minus cos square theta. So this sign replaced by 1 minus cos square, minus as it is, cos square as it is. Okay, so 2 divided by 1 minus cos square minus cos square, minus 1 cos square minus 1 cos square minus 2 cos square. So two as it is, 1 minus 1 cos square minus 1 cos square, it means minus 2 cos square, minus 2 cos square. Middle step is 2 upon 1 minus 2 cos square, 2 upon 1 minus 2 cos square. Last step is 2 upon 2 sin square theta minus 1. So again using by here 1 plus 1 2 upon sine square cos square, 2 upon sine square minus a cos square, 2 as it is, again sine square as it is, cos square, we know cos square theta equal 1 minus a sin square theta, cos square theta equal 1 minus a sin square theta. So this cos replaced by 1 minus a sin square theta, 2 as it is, sin square theta as it is, minus into 1 minus multiply by minus a plus a sin square theta. Okay, 2 as it is, sin square theta 1 sin square 1 sin square 2 sin square theta 2 sin square theta minus 1 as it is. RHS part is 2 sin square theta minus 1, 2 upon 2 sin square theta minus 1. LHS equal RHS. LHS equal RHS. Okay, if you have any doubt, then write your doubt in comment box, and remaining part of this chapter we will discuss in a next video. Thanks.